Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Start by selecting the custom shape tool to build a modern icon grid. Choose a simple square shape. Draw it small to form the first icon cell. Duplicate it horizontally for the first row. Align spacing evenly across the row. Duplicate the entire row downward. Reduce opacity for background cells. Add gradient fields to the primary cell. Apply strokes to all squares. Now align the grid preciously. Add subtle shadows beneath key cells. Also adjust blending modes for consistency. Tune spacing between rows. Clean up sharp edges. Finalize once the icon grid feels